Together they go for a ride. Daddy Shark joins in the fun. Underwater, everyone. Swim, swim, baby shark. Wiggle, wiggle through the dark. Grandma Shark, so slow and sweet, with her fins and wobbly feet. Grandpa Shark, big and bold, leads the way, brave and old. Swim, swim, baby shark. Wiggle, wiggle through the dark. Baby shark laughs with glee, dancing with the fish so free. Round and round they all play in the ocean every day.